you the next terminology, that is the homozygous and the heterozygous. Homozygous and the heterozygous. What is the difference between these two terminology, homozygous and heterozygous? First, we will discuss about the homozygous. When we see the word homozygous and the heterozygous, in which you can see here that is the homo means what? That is the same, and hetero means what? Different. That is the individual having the same or similar alleles for a particular trait. Individual having the similar alleles for a particular trait, or it is also called as the pure trait. Means what? That is the sum of the population of the population of animals, or some of the individual having same alleles for a particular trait. आता trait म्हणजे काय? That is the trait means what? It is one of the character. We know that we already studied about the trait. Now we can see here these are the pair of chromosomes. Okay, and we know that there is alleles means what? Alleles, which is the pair of alleles, which is alternative form of gene, which is located on the same chromosome of the same loci of homologous chromosome. Same loci of homologous chromosome means what? त्याचं लोकेशन जे आहे ते सेम असणार. लोकेशन जे आहे ते काय असणार आहे? सेम असेल. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जीन्स आहे, इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वन ऑफ द ट्रेट. The genes which is pair on the same loci and which is responsible for one of the trait or one of the character, and this character which is present in the sum of animal. For example, eye color जर घेतला आपण, we know that is the one of color is that brown color and the blue color. Brown color and blue color, in which what happened, this is one of the homologous pair, one of the chromosome comes from mother parent and one of the chromosome comes from father parent, in which the genes खाली काढलेलं आहे पाहिजे मी, is one of the pair of chromosome. And आता आपण इथे this brown which is belongs to capital B, and blue which having to small b, okay, which is denoted the small b. Now here it is one of the pair, and one of the gene which contains the capital B, and one of the gene contains the one of the chromosome contains the capital B, and one of the chromosome contains the capital B. These are both the dominant in nature, or these are the same. Okay, capital B, we are saying that alleles which is same, that is called as the homozygous. Understand? Alleles which are same are called as the homozygous, and this homozygous which is having the alleles are capital B, and this capital B which is responsible to which color? That is it refers to the brown color. So we can see here that is the another one of pair of chromosome, and it contains the small b. The genes or the alleles which is present on that same loci of the homologous chromosome, and in which with small b it is responsible for the blue color. Okay, this is one of the difference, means homozygous and heterozygous. आता इथे homozygous सांगितलं आपण. homozygous means same alleles are present on the homologous chromosome, that is called as the homozygous. We are saying that is individual having similar or same allele for a particular trait म्हणजे काय? For the particular character. Okay, and it is also called as the true breeds means what? It produces only one type of the gamete, म्हणजे capital T, the small t असेल तर small t. These are the pure in a form, in which is not a hybrid form, so that we are called as the true breeds. Understand? म्हणजे एखादा individual आहे and is having the similar alleles are present on that particular chromosome for the particular trait, that is called as the homozygous. Then the next terminology, that is the heterozygous. Heterozygous means what? It is the dissimilar alleles. Heterozygous, that is the dissimilar allele for a particular trait. They are called as the homo means same and hetero means the dissimilar, or it is also called as the different means for the different the individual having a different allele for a particular trait called as the heterozygous. It does not pure breed. इथे काय दिसणार आपल्याला? It does not breed the true breeds or the pure breed means in which heterozygous means different allele for the particular gene or particular trait means capital B one of the. आता इथे पेअर घेतला आपण, या पेअरवर क्रोमोझोमचे पेअर घेतले in which one of the allele which capital B and one of the allele which small b, the alleles are different. Alleles are different, so that it is this capital B small b alleles are different, but it responsible for the brown color because dominant gene is present on that. Dominant gene present आहे म्हणजे इथे काय दिसणार आपल्याला? हे only brown eye color is seen. Okay, and small b it is the recessive. So dominant, when the dominant is present, recessive which cannot work. Okay, then for example, when we take the one of the condition in which both the parents are homozygous in a nature. Both the parents are homozygous in a nature means when two parents cross to each other and it contains the homozygous in a nature means capital B small b small b, capital B capital B. जर यांच्यात क्रॉस केलं, what happen? That is capital B small b, capital B small b, capital B small b, capital B small b. We can see here all are heterozygous in a nature. All are heterozygous in a nature. Four combinations are seen here, the four combination, but these are the heterozygous